Now, welcome to question number 2 of the 1,000 questions that we're going to be covering in data structures and algorithms. Most questions asked during interview. And this question, the question that I'm going to cover here is creating, rather, it's forming a capital letter, capitalizing of elements in a statement or in a string. So let us first create this particular template here that is going to be capital.js. So this template is where we're going to be working from. So the question is, write a function. Let me get a question. And the question is, we have a question here. So the question is going to be, write a function that accepts a string. Yeah. Write a function that accepts a string. The function should capitalize the first letter of each element in the string. Okay. So remember this this function should be able to capitalize the first element of each letter of a string. So what do we have? What are we going to first? What are we going to? The first thing that we're going to use, we're going to have our function, and the function is going to be, our function is capitalize capital numbers. Okay, we can just put it something like that, capital. Yeah. So we're going to have the capital numbers, but what do we need first? First, we need an object. Okay, we need an object to store a variable. The variable that we're going to store is we're going to store the variable that is going to be our variable is going to be an array. So we're going to have this variable here, const words. Okay, const const. We're going to have a const here, and we're going to store our words as an array. After we've stored our words, then we're going to iterate using for loop. For let the character, or we can use word, for let word of words, of these words of words, let word of words. Yeah. We're going to loop through word of words, and we're going to return a result. We're going to return a result. Result. This variable result is not supposed to be word. It's supposed to be. We don't have word here. We're going to have result, and the result is going to be an array. So we're going to have. We're going to remember we had a string. So a result. Dot push. Remember the push method. Where do you use push method? We're going to have a push of pushing of word, that is the first word, and the index of the first word, we're going to give it an index of 0, that is going we're going to we're going to we're going to we're going to call it in uppercase, in uppercase, all right. Then we are going to concatenate the rest of the words, that is using the slice method. Okay, and what are we going to slice? We're going to slice those elements. After that, we're supposed to return result. Result what? Word of words. Anyway, I think I have a mistake somewhere. So we're going to return result dot join, and what are we joining? We're joining the string that we formed. So the first thing that we need here is we're going to store as well. We're going to have words that we're going to split. We're going to split the words from string to array, to allow because a string is immutable, so we need first to change it to array. So after we've done this, let us see, after we have returned and console log our result, what are we going to have here? So we're going to console log hello. What are we going to console log here? We're going to console log capital. This is we're calling this capital number, capital, not capitalize, capital. We're going to have capital number. This is the number that we're going to have. So let us try using this method. Let us see what we're going to have as our result. You can see we have we have done what? We have capitalized, but now we have capitalized only one. We have capitalized only one only element for the one word. You can see we have sliced what? We are going to slice only. We're going to when we slice, we're going to slice this other word, but now when we slice it, we're going to have what are we going to have here? After slicing, you can see now we have capitalized this is this. So this as you can see, we have managed to capitalize the first element, and we have managed to reverse the first element. Now you can see now after we have converted the whole string, we have converted the whole string to we have split the whole string. Now you can see when we try to convert the first element, the first index of the element, this is the first index here. You can see the first index of the element, you can see it has capitalized. So this is an appropriate way of doing going about the solution, but due to complexity of the question, we can as well use a better alternative that is going to give us the same result, but it's going to be more efficient in comparison to what we just add. So we're going to have words. The words that we're going sorry, these are the words that remember the words. These ones are the words that we're going to split. So we're going to have words. We're going to have words. Then we can map through all the words using the map method. So we will map through this. We'll map throughout the elements. And what are we going to have? We're going to have word. We're going to have word that is going to be. We're going to point the word. Okay. So we're going to point using the map method, and then we're pointing the first element of the word and the index, the first index of the elements in a word, that is to uppercase. Remember, we're going to use this inbuilt method, the upper. This is an inbuilt method to uppercase. Okay, so after we've called this, we're going to concatenate the words as well, the remaining words. After we slice, we're going to concatenate, but we're going to slice what? We're going to slice that small letter that we just changed. After slicing now of the words, so after slicing, we're going to have we're going to have a join method that is going to join the string again, the array, sorry, that we had converted by splitting. We're going to join again to form a string. So when you call this word, when you call using this functionality, then let us see what we're going to have as our results. Now we have an error here. So what is the error? The error is stating that now the error is not supposed to be inside this map. So we are going to have the error. We're going to have the join method on its own. So let us see what we have now. Very nice, very nice. You can see now we have already done that. We have already capitalized the first letters. Apparently, we still have this word as a what? We still have this word as an array. So what we need here is we're going to split this array, and when you do that, we're going to have a clear statement without the array format of it. Very nice. You can see now after I use the join string, because we have declared here what we're joining is a string. You can see we have done away with the array. Now we have a full string of our word. This is our second question of our data structures and algorithm questions asked during the interview. I'll see you in the next video of our tutorial.